Let's start. A is for apple. A. Smart. A is for alligator. Wow! Great! Smart. A is for angel. Good job. Well done. Great. A is for ant and for airplane. A. Smart. Bye-bye. B is for ball. B. Smart. B is for bicycle. Nice. Smart. B is for baby. Great. Good one. Good job. B is for bear and for bee. B. Good job. Bye-bye. C is for cat. C. Smart. C is for crab. Good one. Well done. Smart. C is for car. Wow. Well done. Good job. C is for cake and for clown. Good job. Bye-bye.